Hey guys, a real quick video about some LEDs I found for my bike. These are very inexpensive, easy to apply, and require no wiring. So I bought the 4-pack because I thought that would be plenty for my bike since it's a smaller motorbike, but it comes with everything you need. Came in 4 different individual packs with, and these are USB like rechargeable batteries. You never have to replace them. And they'll last for about 5 hours depending on like if you have it in strobe mode. But listen, don't ever ride your bike with the lights in strobe or blinking mode because that's illegal. So if you do put these on a motorbike or a vehicle or anything on a roadway, make sure they're in the static light mode. But it comes in about 7 colors, different effects, and for the money, I mean, why not? I thought I'd put them on my bike just to see what happens, and like I said, $15. You know, if I have to throw them away in 6 months, I'm not out much, but I wanted to see what it looked like. So let's check it out and I'll show you the after effects, and you know, so far they're holding up great. So what'd you think? I mean, for the price, you can't beat that. So the Velcro that comes with it is okay. I mean, it held fine and even going over some bumps and stuff on the road, but you can buy more heavy-duty Velcro if you think it's kind of loose. But just, you know, give it a feel. So far, it worked for me great. Now, I had mine set on blue, but like I said, there's like 7 color schemes, so I might mix it up a little bit. You can have multiple ones, and I have 4 of them, so I could do like red, green, blue, yellow, and just kind of mix it up a little bit. Now I know there's a lot more elaborate LED schemes you can put on bikes with wiring and stuff, and I may do that down the road, but for now I just kind of wanted to see what it was like, so I think it turned out nice. So I told you this would be a short video. Thanks for sticking around, and I promise I'm going to bring some more maintenance video. I'm waiting on my service manual, which should be in any week now.